All right. Before we move on to the next thing, let's actually take a breath. And the first video was talking about how to create the actual assessment within Moodle, within the specific course content that you wanted to fall under. And then the second video was talking about how to add the questions to the actual assessment. Now, when it comes to the questions, there's also an option. Let me delete this, and delete this. All right. Let us say that uh, our students, or we have a whole question bank of 100 questions, for example, within our previous assessment, and we want these questions to be shuffled. Maybe we have, as I say, 100 questions, and we are creating a quiz of 10 questions, and we want to choose between to choose from those 100 questions that we have. How we do that is come to edit quiz as per usual, and click on add and click random question. Right. The category is the default quiz, meaning the different kinds of, yeah. This will be from the category of, uh, as you see, I have default quiz one, which is the first quiz that I created, but I'm going to leave it as the um, default here, and then I can choose. Well, now it will show me the questions that are available, and then I can just add a random question from those questions. Okay, then I can add another random question. uh, let's see if it will allow me to add from my old quiz. Okay, I guess that quiz didn't have questions. It's fine. um, I'll add another random question from these three questions that I have, and then I'll add the last random question. Actually, let me just say two this time. Okay. Now, the sad part about this one is that because now I have only three questions in my question bank, and I have questions here, some of the questions will repeat, and that's fine. So what this does is that a student that is sitting on table 1 and a student that is sitting on table 2 will have different questions. They might not even have one question that is the same between the two of them, right? So it allows us to even be more diverse when it comes to our creating of assessment, because now we can, in the beginning of the year, create one demo task with 100 questions. And from that demo task, then as the year progresses, or as the semester progresses, then we can create assessments that randomly chooses from those 100 questions, to assess the students on, right? So I just wanted to touch on that before we get to the next video, where we will be touching on other concepts. I think we'll also take a demo test just to show how something would, or how it would look from the student's perspective, as well as when marking.